Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out viral TikTok fit.
It's the pressure because you're watching me.
So I'm gonna be testing out viral TikTok foods because I've been watching TikTok way too much and this food looks really good. So we're gonna try it out today. The first thing we're gonna cook, let me get my ingredients. We're gonna do mac and cheese in a cup. Okay, so I need a half a cup of
teeny.
Okay, that looks good. Pour it in my mug. And then it says we need a half a cup of water to cook the noodles. And instead I put some salt. I like salt, so I'm doing extra.
Because I'm extra.
We're supposed to put it in the microwave for how long? For 3 minutes. So I'm gonna go put this in the microwave. It's like the Kraft mac and cheese, you know, you like fill it up.
It's the Kraft mac and cheese.
It's like, yeah, it's like bougie Kraft mac and cheese. Please don't explode.
Are you cooking it in a mug?
Yeah.
In a coffee mug?
Yeah, that's the TikTok hack.
It's overflowing a little bit, that's why I put the plate there, so hopefully it doesn't explode. Okay, so I'm gonna drain some of the water. Most of it like came out in the microwave. Okay, got the noodles.
The nudes.
Now we have to put more salt and pepper in here. Salt, pepper. And it said like 3 tablespoons of milk. We don't have milk, we only have almond milk. So Jake, I'm sorry you can't have this. So I need 3 tablespoons. And I'm taking my cheese. I don't know if this is gonna taste good because I'm using almond milk, but you know, I'm gonna have to put this back in the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, here's a moment of truth. I'm gonna try my mac and cheese. It's like really cheesy. That actually tastes pretty good, bro. It tastes like homemade mac and cheese. Okay, so I finished my mac and cheese.
I'm ready to go.
So the next thing we're gonna make is peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Jake, I'm sorry you can't eat these either. So we're gonna make those. They sound really good and they're supposed to be like the best cookies ever. Alright, so the first ingredient we need is a cup of brown sugar. I
could literally eat this whole bag of brown sugar.
The next thing we need is a cup of peanut butter. For some reason my dad has Skippy peanut butter. I don't really know why. He must like Bruno Mars or something. I usually get Peter Pan, but you know what? I'm gonna trust you, Skippy. The next thing we need is an egg, and I do not like doing this. So it makes it okay. Now I need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. How do you open this? Okay, you're mixing the ingredients. This looks delicious. So I got that all mixed up. I don't understand why we don't need flour, but I guess that's part of the hack. Watching me make like flat cookies. Okay, now I'm gonna do half a cup of chocolate. I have stuff in this. I'm gonna put a little bit extra because I like chocolate chips. Okay, so it said to heat the oven up to 350 and then to get a baking sheet, I put foil on it so the peanut butter doesn't stick to it. So it said it makes about like 12 cookies. I'm gonna eyeball how much that is. Okay, so I got all my cookies ready to go. It said to cook them for 8 to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna do like 10 minutes and see how they are. Okay, so the cookies just came out of the oven, and I'm gonna scoop them onto the drying pan so then I can eat them. Oh, they look so good. They look like so soft. Holy crap, these things taste
So good.
Man, this is so good. I approve. We're gonna go ahead and make the next thing, which is banana bread in a cup. So I have my dad mug. I don't really have a super ripe banana, but it'll do. Okay, so I'm gonna mush the banana up. Ugh. And then it says 1 tablespoon of butter. This butter is like a giant cube, so I'm gonna cut it. And then 1 egg. Got my egg. So then I need 3 tablespoons of flour. Need a half a teaspoon of baking powder. 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna put 3 because you can never have too much sugar. And then it just says to add a dash of vanilla and milk. It smells really good. Alright, and then it says to pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna go put that in there. It looks like a giant marshmallow. It's like really fluffy. So I'm gonna let it cool off so I don't like freaking burn my tongue off. Okay, I'm gonna try the banana bread. My hair is like 20 million different colors. Wow, that's really attractive. That actually tastes really good. It tastes just like banana bread. And I bet like once it like cools off, it'll like harden and be like actual bread. This one is Faith approved.
Crap, that tastes good.
All right, so the next thing we're gonna make is the mini pancake cereal. This one I'm actually really excited to try. So for the mini pancakes, I don't have one of those fancy little squirter like ketchup bottles, so I'm just gonna put it in this bag and then I'm gonna cut the tip off of it. All right, got it in the bag. This looks delicious. Okay, I'm gonna cut the tip off. I'm probably gonna suck at this. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, those are actually pretty hard to make, but they are really cute and they look like they're gonna taste really good. Bro, they taste like cereal. That's so good.
It's almost like they were meant to be pancake cereal.
I know, right? I'm gonna try to take a thumbnail and I spilled a bunch of these out on the floor. Ismo really likes these pancakes because she's cleaned them all off the floor that I dropped. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this kind of video, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. And let me know if there's any other TikTok food hacks you guys want to see me do, because this was actually really fun. And all these things tasted really good and I'm gonna get really fat, but it's okay.
I'm okay with that.
But anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. I can't talk today.
I can't YouTube anymore.
If you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me. If you want to check out my previous videos, you can click them right over there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.